Yakhumbula mangithi angwafuna makota and you would make it happen somebody and buy me food at McDonald's and he was yeah cuz angiyidli kodwa and vika understand he would just fetch me to this fuzz and it's because of something that you believed in, something that you lacked phakathi, something that you didn't have faith in. Maybe kungaba ukuthi ukhe wabona ubhuti wakho amshaya and then waphila kahle bachubeka bajola this ukuthi yeah nah I need to start content creation. I saw my way, like I dreamt about it but it was like a forceful dream. It's like why are you not starting? And then I just started and here I am and I'm still learning and I'm still gonna go beta. I'm still gonna do beta and
yeah 100%.
asikhulumi ngothando, sikhuluma ngothando. Right? There's a difference. There's a difference between I love you and I love you.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah, my dog.
yeah.
Mawuthi
You know,
I
like,
love you bese
Yo, what up, good people? It's your boy, Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode. And I'm joined by Utepang Matutu no Karabo Maseko Ninjan.
Siyaphila.
I was supposed to say tu. Yeah, no. Ngiyaphila nami, ngiyaphila. And I'm excited to have you guys on the show.
yeah.
Thank
We're
you for
also
having
excited
us.
to be
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, ne?
And nervous.
I'm not.
nervous.
I'm good.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
But you guys are used like to the camera, so why are you nervous if I'm gonna ask?
Because it's the first time we're doing it as a couple.
No.
For on my side, sing is khulumela
Mamela
mina.
sijwayele icamera yethu.
Yethu,
amafoni
ne?
yethu,
And
yes.
C2.
Lana it's like
Yeah, and then need two nakhona. And in most cases nisebenza need two vele.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah,
Okay.
but
Okay. And I think Jolene, like, why ninamagama maningi so bafethu? I've been trying. Like, I've found so many names. I know Bagbizo Sweet Jesus also, that's also your another name. I'm surprised ukuthi why Bagbizo Sweet Jesus? Like,
Yeah.
why is that? Gonna proceed to
Yeah.
Utepang because nae I think Bambiza Stalusida if I'm not
Stalusida.
mistaken.
Yeah.
bangibiza o Sweet Jesus kodwa amanye amavideo bengiwayenza comparing white people and black people.
Okay.
And then we ask white people, they love to say oh Sweet Jesus, so I just took that mina ngathi ngizenzele something and I did, and abantu bayithandile, they just ended up calling me oh Sweet Jesus, oh Sweet Jesus. Like nabantwana vele sebajwayele.
Nabantwana,
Yeah.
Okay. And also cause like I don't know cause ezingisho ukuthi like dog unamagama amaningi dog cause there's also like
rich
the
cousin.
rich cousin.
The
Yeah,
rich cousin.
what's the meaning like behind that?
Behind the rich cousin.
Yeah.
Bengithanda ukenza it's nothing really. Bengenza ama video where the rich cousin,
Okay.
yabo. Yeah, like from Dala, I rich cousin ivakashe kasi and all that. Yabo isuke ema suburbs izovakasha lana, yabo, and all that. And then I just ended up liking mangithi the rich cousin ngalithatha lelo gama mina and just used that in
Used
Japan.
it,
Yeah. Because abantu bebayithanda leyo content kakhulu. Mara yakudala kakhulu. Yakudala.
So
Abanye
like
abantu
content
abayazi.
creation like uyiqale kudala ne?
Yeah, like 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I'd say.
But that's not long, dog. You
It
speak like
is.
it like
No,
it's like
yakudala,
And
bekumathini.
umntwana.
Yeah, ngisesomntwana. I mean, like ngitrende ngayo i-rich cousin abantu bangazi ngayo ngitrende ngayo and then ngastop ukuyenza ama-video and it was like yo uyephi lo guy yabo and then ngabuya ke manje.
Okay. And why you called like Stalusida?
I called myself Stalusida because I feel like I'm a star, not in a bad way, or I'm not trying to be cocky or anything.
Okay.
I felt like I'm a star, and then my favorite star is a Lucida, which is the brightest star. So I was like Star Lucida.
Oh. Okay. And by the way, we've got Usihle lapha ku backstage, so ningabe surprised like when you tap in like from time to time. Okay. So you said you were doing a video like Rich Cousin.
Rich Cousin.
And then you came back, dog. And you came back, like, is it like your real name? Like, Ukarabo Masego. And
Yeah.
why are you using your real name? Because obviously you've got names that you can use, like about Sweet Jesus, Nababo, Rich Cousin.
Yeah.
Obviously, because Vele,
Yeah, I
Amakamane
understand.
Wait, and Abantaba, like, some people know you from Usenzama video, why Rich Cousin.
Yeah. Mine ngisebenzisa uKarabo Maseko, like ngifuna abantu bazi mina, because let's say I stop making like comedy content like in a few years, angifuna abantu bangazi ngo the Rich Cousin or all Sweet Jesus, like ngifuna bazi uKarabo Maseko. Ngithola ngifuna kube yimi. That's why like ku TikTok ngibhalile like igama lami and then ngabhala ne the Rich Cousin. Yabo, so that abantu babona uKarabo Maseko kuqala before bazothi the Rich Cousin. Yeah.
Okay. Is it the case now why you were motivated? Is it the same
No,
reason?
it's
'Cause
not the
now
same
you're also
reason.
using
It's not.
is it like your
No, Tepang
identify
Matutu
name?
is my name, my real name. But Usta Lucida was there because I was trying to make people not call me Tepang Matutu, like but differentiate between the real Tepang Matutu and Usta Lucida. And then eventually I was like, at the end of the day, it's still the same person, so I might as well be called Tepang Matutu. So I just decided to use my name.
Okay, and let's get to the biggest question. Like, how did you guys meet?
Yo.
And when was that actually? What
When
happened?
was it? Last year?
It was last year, yeah.
Last year,
Last
September.
year?
September.
When you hosted, Usha the
No, July, June.
When you were hosting.
Yeah,
it
that's
was
when I
June.
started knowing you.
Yeah.
So
We
I
met there. But I kalanga lapho into yes. No, it didn't start.
Okay,
Yeah, it's
ngisho
a long
once.
story. Yeah, you can tell.
Okay, so I was hosting something, host Special Pass, ne, and then I posted ukuthi who can I invite, and then someone said, can you please invite Ukarabo Masego / Osweet Jesus. I was like, okay. I didn't know him, and then ngaya ku Facebook ngayom search, and I was like, oh, okay, and then ngam text ku Facebook. No, was it
TikTok.
good TikTok? I texted him on TikTok and then I respond, and then he said he's gonna come, and then he came to the event, and then that's when we first met.
Oh.
But we were I just knew him, and
Yeah, and I didn't know you.
and then Gahambis cards again. I needed him for something September
Yeah, for an
for
event.
go promote or something another events, and then I asked them, can you please kappa me and then Zamba's event, so you promote event. And we started being close,
Is it?
like friendship close. Yeah.
That way you all started. Where did it all start? Because you say it started before that actual hosting that you called him for. Like
No,
did
that's where it started.
that's where it
Yeah.
started.
That's where
where
the
it all
DM,
started,
the
actually.
first DM, yeah.
Yeah, she's the one who texted me.
And then like the relationship grew from friendship to love.
Yeah.
To the real thing.
Yeah.
In the friendship and
Yeah, this
Cause
one like
what
we were
led
just
to that?
friends.
I
Like, to
fell
like
in
Masan
love.
Pega, actually, like what led to that? Like,
As it to be honest, you know.
yeah.
Yimi, I fell in love first. Mara, bengafuna uku-acta kuyo. Like,
Yeah.
bengi-right just being friends.
And I told
yabo.
you, Guti, please
Yeah.
don't fall in love with me.
Yabo. So I was
Yeah.
like, as in go right masingabangani. And then clever na
Yeah, I
wow.
fell in love, and then I confessed. I was like,
Who confessed first?
I did.
You did?
I told him. I was
You've
like,
got
yeah,
nerves.
Napela.
You've got
Number
nerves.
few ones.
Oh, you've got nerves, Mos.
Cabang,
And,
what's
then,
up?
and I apologized for feeling that way. I was like, I am so sorry, but I can't hold myself. This is what happened, and this. And then the reason why I did that was because he was in a new relationship, and he told me, Uguti, he gives me 3 months in this friendship, and then 3 months later, if he falls in love with the girl, we are no longer friends.
Strategy. Strategy. And it
Because
worked.
really you were
Yeah.
in
Yeah,
love
boy.
Yeah,
actually.
I was
now.
like, no ways, yo. And
But
then
were you
I-
lying
yeah.
though when you told her Uguti
No,
you
three
were in a
months.
relationship? Like what
Yo,
was that
I
stand?
wasn't lying. That's the
Oh.
thing. I wasn't lying. Like,
Okay.
bengibona ukuthi angeke iye ndawo lento le cause naye the way beka acta ngakhona she was
That
acting
other
like
girl.
no Tsepa
Oh, yeah,
like
yeah.
beka acta ngathi like we are friends bengathi bekungena next so I was like
I would
ayakho
remind him
future la
every
yabo
day.
ngathi angcono ngizifunele omunye it's okay and then yeah
And then he fell in love, ke. And I was like, yeah, not on my watch. Not in a bad way.
Right?
Then she confessed. Then after that, you guys
after
became
that,
like a
it's
couple.
just- yeah,
I started dating
just like that.
Oh, and when was that?
last year, December.
Yeah, it was.
Just-
After Skatzen Karana Nazana.
From
Since
June, after 6
September.
months.
Yeah, I'm sure
June.
June is going to host, and then we just
Oh,
stopped
Sibale.
texting. Yeah,
Sibala
so
from
just got this one
September.
text for an event there.
Yeah,
so
which was September,
October,
October, November, December, 4 months.
December, December we started dating.
So like umuntu engalithola uthando lwangempela kwi-social media like athola umuntu nje impela serious.
Hey,
Yeah, because in Tolane khona. Yes, yeah.
But no,
Mara
we
nkinga
didn't
ukuthi-
talk on social media.
yeah, nkinga
but
ukuthi
you
bengimbonile like
Okay.
yabo ngiyamazi
Yeah.
umuntu asekazi yabo.
Oh.
And
So I think-
begeze ekhaya bekangilanda every day,
Oh,
nami
you
ngimlanda
guys
every
like
day.
stay in the same hood.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So that's when we started getting close. It's not because of social media. But I feel like people can find love anywhere. So
You say so.
Yeah.
yeah, even on social media, even at the club. Like eventually, why are you saying
Is that like a real love from the club?
Yes,
It's
baby,
not.
it is.
It's
Bro.
not.
Yeah.
I'm a good
From my-
person,
from-
but there's a
from my
time when I went
perspective,
to
nah.
club.
Yeah.
Umuntu omthola eklabhini
Ow.
uzomshiya lapho.
Yeah.
Bayomthatha lapho naye futhi.
No, baby,
Dog.
no. Have you
Lento
ever been to
lefana
the
nokuthi
club?
can you get a wife like good tavern, dog? Does it make sense, dog?
Yabo.
Yes,
You can
I
get a
was there
wife,
because
yeah,
my
you
friend
can,
said,
you
let's
can.
go. And then we go langa la khona. Maybe something happened at home. And I was like, maybe let me try a club just to go there.
But
Not
would it be
because
like genuinely love,
Ay,
like
yeah, I don't think so.
and
it is.
and I'm sure lapho nisuke nizozwana grand because ama similarities really.
So when have you ever been to the club?
Angeke.
I've been.
And then are you telling me,
times.
are you a bad person just for going there? So what if
wouldn't say
a
that,
random
but-
innocent girl just came to you and then you guys started talking and you were like,
I
I
wouldn't-
figure go at ngborekile.
No, I wouldn't take that to consideration though. Like it wouldn't just click on my mind. It would nah. Like
If
she's into me.
ukwazile igelo if ukwazile ukusondela kuye then it means ukuthi bayingakho abanye.
Yeah,
Ayile
it's
kuba
too
ukuthi
many.
ayibhorekile.
Yeah.
Bayingakho.
It's a red
Uyabo?
flag nje.
Wena umtshela ukuthi ungasukeleka manje uhambe kuyithi angibhorekile
So
unless you
let me
try.
ask you something.
Yeah,
Let me
I
ask
get
you
you.
something. If like you could ask maybe how your parents met, like they wouldn't tell you maybe they met at the Groove or whatsoever. Like I see that we select like Katzakdal. You see, it was like I'm at clubs nanani. Our parents, I don't think they were much familiar with such things. You see, and now that belief it has always been there. It's like you can't get someone like like someone who build a family
Yeah.
whatsoever. You
Can
see.
I ask you a question though?
Yeah, you can.
Are they happily married or are they just raising kids? Are our parents like, I'm just asking because they met wherever they met, but do they touch one another? Are they, oh baby, I love you? Are they laughing together?
But they do. They do.
But not all of
Yeah,
them.
not all of them,
So
but
it's
most of
like
them
it
they
doesn't
do.
count just because they are
So you
old
feel
and
like-
all of
so-
that. It's
so
like
when you feel like there's like a couple outside who's just like together just for the sake of like raising kids.
Yeah.
or they just groomed into each other. It's like
Yeah.
I feel like older people are not
In
not
love.
all of them. Abanye ba toxic ihle. Like uzumuntu athi mina
Yeah,
ekhaya
ngiyabazi,
bebashayana.
abo bakudala,
Yeah,
ish,
abomama
ngiyabazi
bayathobela.
kanjani.
It's
Yeah.
like they're not
Yeah.
happily married. So I wouldn't say whatever they have going on, I want to apply it into my life because it's like, ooh, phela. Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, like, what attracted like you from like to him? Like, what happened? Like, what is it that you'd feel like you'd say, this is what I liked about him actually.
He's a soft
attracted
guy.
because of this.
He's
Oh.
very soft and he's kind. Not kind to anybody else, but he was kind to me.
Okay.
He was very kind, gentle, and understanding because I'm a very complicated person. Ngiyakhumbula uma ngithi ngiyafuna amakota.
Yeah.
And you would make it happen somebody and buy me food at McDonald's, and he
Just a
was
McD.
yeah, because he got and they understand. He would just fetch me just to go buy coffee. He was just soft, man. And then he would understand which I didn't want to be anything besides friends. And he was gentle about it. He never said, yeah, one day you're going to fall in love with me or anything. No, he was a good guy. He's a very good guy in this relationship. So yeah, I had to fall in love.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah, I had
And then
to.
if we were to flip side, bro, like what is it that you love the most about her, dog?
Hayi now uyazibonela mfethu. Let's start here. Bheka nomuntu omuhle kanjani. Bheka muhle kanjani mfethu. Like
Thank you.
ngisacala ukumbona it was light webo yo like uThepang lo like
So would you say like it was love at first sight? Like would you say and confirm that to go to that was there?
100%. I don't even want to lie, 100%.
Yeah, ne?
Ngicala ukumbona lapha kule event it was like
Damn.
yeah. Nangu lo muntu lo but ngazibamba ngathi ayazini.
Yeah.
Ngimyekela, ngimhloniphe.
Huh.
What else? Ushama looks uthe uyaqala. No, but you said ngiyaqala.
No, I love all the like the cute things that you do. Like nenhlizwa enhle, let me start there. Yeah, what else can I say besides that? Like igning, honestly, igning, I can just go on and on.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
I see. I love lives here. That's what they say. Okay. And I don't know. Like, am I the only one who feels like you guys, like in most cases, like in Sevens, I know it too. Like, it's just like that thing. I don't know. Like Nhlez like me too. Like, why is that? Like, you'd say, like, do you feel jealous maybe if you would go and work with some? I've never seen him maybe working with like different girls and hey, like working with other gents. Cause like I'm a content creator, like they link up, they make content. You see, we've seen like it's something that has been happening. You see, like they share my audience. My audience also has to know you and those type of situations. You see, so why you guys like
yeah, you can.
I really feel like what we have going on is very special to include anything that could just to invite izinto ezimbi in our relationship. And not to say Guti it's because of content creation or anything, but we are more than content creators. We are people who are in love. We need to protect one another. We need to protect our space and whatever. So I would allow him, I do allow him to go and collaborate with whoever, but I'll be there, not because I'm insecure or whatever, but we're trying to protect what we have. It's like, just because it's like, just because you're going to go to the club doesn't mean you're going to drink, but it's better to stay at home and just expose it to certain things. I might not be the one to fall in love, but the other person might be. So now Segubanama conflict and all of that, we're just trying to protect what we have. I think, yeah.
Yeah, that's a perfect answer.
Yeah.
So like you guys, there's this mandate that has been said to Guti, we don't often work with other people. There's nothing like that. But it's just a thing of Guti.
We pay attention who we accept.
Yeah, nakhona sifuna ukusebenza C2. Like we want to build something C2 like uThepang noKarabo. Not just by invite to Karabo kuphela and then ngihamba ngiyi-one, like we want to build something. So wherever I go ngifuna abe nama connect lapho. So ngihamba naye yimi ngimthatha choice yami.
Is it the case why you guys because you guys work is also like a duo, like go album launch ka Basi?
No.
Oh no.
We were not.
No.
You
He
guys
was
not?
the one invited.
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. And then Wang Tat. So it's like,
she was my plus one.
yeah.
Okay. And how did that plug came about, bro? Because that's a big one, man. Ubasi, like she's big in the industry, you know. Yeah, like and she's got like a lot of supporters from people and her songs now, so they're making waves out there. So yeah, like how did you manage to get that?
She follows me on TikTok, Ubasi. So wabona content yami and all that, and then what decided to invite her, like she's the one who texted me, like and I've had not the manager yakhe or whoever, like who young 16.
Okay.
Ukuthi ayicho woza la. I'm launching something and all that. And then ngavela.
And tell me about that experience. Like, how was it like? Did you enjoy it? What happened?
What happened there? So, personally, I didn't know who Basi was, now.
Okay.
And then Wangja Luguti Ubasi invited him. He showed me the text.
Okay.
And then Wabuzu Tikeni, he come with a +1, and then Watufunu Kambanam. I was like, okay, and then I did my research on who Basi was, so I was like excited. Kanti masizo fika lena. He asked me to be his girlfriend.
Oh.
Lapho, while I was listening
Damn.
to, I was like, yo, this girl is so gorgeous. And then Mangit, what, can you please be my girlfriend? So it was like, that's where he asked me to be his girlfriend. So it's no longer about us being at an event, Yagaba. So it was just our first moment together. So it was a nice feeling.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it was
it
special,
was
eh?
so
Yeah,
nice.
every time I
yo.
think about it, that's what I
Yeah. So in a way, Basi played an important role in our
Yeah,
relationship.
for real,
Yeah, ne?
So it was
You guys
so
should
nice.
thank her.
We did
Ah,
so
we
many
did,
times.
yeah,
yo.
we did.
Yeah, she knows. Yeah.
Okay. And where are you guys like from? Like, to somebody like who onganazi always sees you guys on social media. Like, where are you guys based actually?
At Davidson.
Davidson.
Yeah. Davidson eThwathwa.
Yeah, it's what.
eThwathwa. Yeah, inkulu eThwathwa. So
Yeah.
Davidson eThwathwa. Just
Ukhulele
around
khona?
there nje. Yeah, mina ngikhulele khona.
Same. I was also raised there, so yeah.
Is it? Oh yeah, ngiyakhumbula.
Just not like Kakokwa,
Oh
Mangish.
yeah, ngiyakhumbula.
Yeah, uyakumbula ne.
Okay. And then like anayo like lento ukuthi, don't you have like maybe background esemakhaya whatsoever? There's nothing like that.
Hayi, mina
I'm the
I
only one who
don't.
has. Mara ngikhulilanga khona, it's just ukuyovakasha kuphela. Empumalanga.
Oh, in MP. Oh, kuphi MP?
Emachidini.
Machidini.
Yeah, kusemachidini. People don't know about eKwaga. I'm not. Yeah, Emachidini.
Uhamba kuphela nje awazi na.
When last did you visit there? It's been long. You
Last
can't
year.
even recall.
Last year. No, I know. Thing is, kusemachidini.
Machidi.
Kusemachidini.
Yini iKwaGafontein.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kwagafontein, but Emachidini.
Iyavela ku Google Maps.
It should appear.
It does. Yeah.
Okay. And then Nfunde Kuphi here in Joburg, like, and did you guys like manage to complete school? Like, what's the school background? How
School
does it look
background.
like?
You can
You
start.
can start it.
Oh, okay. Mina bengifunda eDen Parasi Primary School ilapha eThwathwa vele. And then I went to a Sandra High, which is in Mpumalanga, but ayikho kude. Like, it's like ukusuka la
You chose.
eJozi kukude. Na
Not that.
kukude.
It's
Yeah.
20 minutes. Just
Yeah,
so,
it's just a 20-minute drive nje. Kusuka la ngihlala khona ngesikolweni. Bengifunda lapha ngaba nge-transport every day. Yeah, and then ngaqeda isikolo, and then that was it. I was like,
Yo, you never had like any dreams to further your studies?
I did, ne, mara uyazi, iyabhayiziseka umuntu yazi, and
Yeah,
I
ne.
was like, yeah, right.
Do you feel like life happened?
Yeah, life happened, and also ngakhohlwa ukuthi bengilandela abangani mina into enkulu yabo.
Is it?
Yeah, yeah, bengilandela abangani, I don't even know that.
How so, dog?
I was supposed to do general stream esikolweni, like grade 10 I should choose ama subjects.
Yeah.
I wanted to do general stream, and then abangani bami, like my best friends, bebashaya bebafuna ukuyenza science and all that, so mina ngalandela bona. Bese masifika lapha yana eholweni, so like bebachuzisa abantwana ukuthi mawufele iNS uyangapha and all that. So abangani bami bafela iNS, and then babayisa ngapha, mina ngaphasa imaths ne-NS bangisa ngapha, so I went to science stream bona bayade, and it was like I couldn't change, ngathi yo ngasala ngiyi-1. Yeah, lapha yana ke hayi bese zikhala yazi now physics,
Yeah, ne.
pure maths ngapha bezikhala.
It was crazy.
Yeah.
Okay. And how about you?
I went to Zamukanyo Primary School. It's Hwatwa. And then I changed schools from grade 5. Ngahamba, I went to a Model C, a Petfontein Primary School, which was an Afrikaans school. It was an English school, but this is since Afrikaans. So I started doing Afrikaans from grade 6.
From grade 6?
Yeah. Yes.
Was it not like difficult to
It
learn Afrikaans?
was.
More.
But
More.
So
it was.
can
But
do it.
you can praat.
Goeiemorgen.
But you can praat. And
Ek kan praat nie Afrikaans. Ek kan nie praat Afrikaans nie. I just know the basics and yeah, angazi ngiphase kanjani. And then I went to a high school at Wetsworth up until grade 12. And then right now I'm in UNISA studying, wishing to quit, but I can't. Angifuni ukufunda yo.
Why?
Because
Because you're right. There's a video of you saying, Wuti, you only went to
Studying
school
just
or
for
trying
my
to study
mom.
just because to fulfill like
Yeah, just-
mama, because to fulfill your mother's dreams. Like, is that true?
It's not that deep, but I'm just trying to make my mom have a sense of what's this, just something to hold on to. Ukuthi umntana wakho uyenzani? Angathi umntana umenza ama-video, but like usesikolweni, she's learning. But I know for a fact ukuthi nanoma ngingafundanga she'll still support. But yeah, just nazo ba nomntana ufundile yabo. But yeah, mina ngifuna.
Why?
Because I have better things going on. Like, I'm trying to find, not trying to find, but I've found my way that I'm trying to make a living of. So, yeah.
And you want to focus on that like full time.
Yes, full time, yeah.
And that is content creation.
Content creation.
If you are into content creation, like what was the whole idea? Like more like and what motivated you like to start making your own videos? Like
Menana.
yeah.
Oh, okay. So what I've always wanted, what I've always known, what I'm going to do, I knew I was going to be famous. I knew people were going to know me.
Is it?
I knew I was born for the spotlight. And I just wanted to know what is it, because I can't dance, I can't sing. So obviously it was like, okay, maybe my personalities or my videos or whatever I have on my mind will just be the way. And then I took time until I dreamt about it. I need to start content creation. I saw my way, like I dreamt about it, but it was like a forceful dream. It's like, why are you not starting? And then I just started, and here I am, and I'm still learning, and I'm still gonna go beta. I'm still gonna do beta, and
Yeah, 100%.
Tell me about that dream. What was happening in that dream?
okay. So in that dream, ne benglele while I was also sleeping in Pupwin. So it was like a dark space, and then there was something that's big name. Indugu or something, that's being shy or something. And then it was like, why are you not starting, why are you not posting? And then being Tugi and Carl, and then I apologized, and then I was like, yeah, and then I started fetching my dreams. Is it fetching? Yeah. Ngavuga. And then I was just assured ukuthi I need to do this. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And I've heard your term, it's like this thing you've been doing, like you see. When it was not a dream, like what what was it for? Like
I shy content, that's it.
and then people loved it.
Yeah. Like that's it. I was just bored nje. Bengenza bengisebenzisa ama-sound abanye abantu yabo, bengifuna ukufana nabo Siphokuhle and all that, like biba-trend ku TikTok. Just wanted to be like them, and then ngasebenzisa ama-sound wabo ngayibona ukuthi hayi yazini lento la akuseyami, and then I started using my own sound. Yeah, trend video yami iyo le Rich Cousin, like I trend, and I was like yazini ngicale ngisebenzisa ivoice yami, and then people loved it, and then ngaqhubeka.
And from the videos that you started like making to my video besides the fact that obviously we're using like the audio yabo and stuff like that, like what would you say like you have learned, or how have you like equipped yourself from making those videos in that you have learned like from the get-go when you started making videos that you are applying now, which you would say it which makes you to stand off like from other content creators?
I feel like sonke sifaka ama-weave ne. Everyone
Yeah.
everyone ufaka ama-weave nje. Mawumfana ufaka i-weave, you just trend
You
on TikTok.
trending.
You say so, dog.
Yeah,
Yeah,
once you
yeah.
out nje ufaka i-weave, hayi, uyatrenda.
Kids love
yeah,
it.
like
Yo.
Bococomelon, they love it kakhulu. So yeah, it's just use your own sound game. It's just using my own sound, yabo. Like ngisebenzisa ama sound abanye abantu, and I think into yangihlukanisa from all of them qala yabo ngayenza mina, and then yeah.
Okay, and like from as much as you have grown like in the media space, you see from where you started up until now, like what is it that you would say like you still want to achieve, like because now I think maybe there are certain goals that you have unlocked.
Yeah.
You see, say you would say, I've achieved this, you know, I've got this year, I've got that. So what is it that, like, what is your destiny like in this, like in the content creation world?
Into content creation world, ne? Mina right now, into engifuna ukuyenza kakhulu, it's to be on ads, like kuma TV. So yeah, like into engifuna ukuyipusha, I wanna bring back like lama ads lawa kudala, yabo lawa hlekisayo kuma TV and all that, like ngifaka ama weave and do something, like kube yimi mara ngichinja ama character, like I want it to be like that, ngifuna kube yimi on that ad, like ngiyi-one nje. I want that, like ngifuna back lento le. I'm pushing like i-brand eyi-one mayingeza kimi and tell me ukuthi ngenze song ngayenza. Like I can't do that for them.
Uyayenza ne voice over.
Yeah, ne voice over ngiyayenza. Yeah.
To umuntu ongazi, what is a voice over though?
A voice over, it's advertise something and then using your own voice, right? Yeah, like on top of that video, like uyakhuluma nje.
That's all.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, but also ngiyakuza ukuthi ufuna ukuvela ku TV with ama art and stuff, but don't you feel like TV like it's losing its touch there and there, dog? Like people like now they don't more watch TV. Abantu baku TikTok, you see,
Yeah,
and they yini bathatha nibafake ku TikTok.
Yeah, here's the thing. Abantu baku TikTok, but
Yeah.
ungakhohlwa ukuthi abantu bayabukela i-YouTube, yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah, so le ad leyo noma ingekho like kuma ku TV like
yeah.
It can be kuma ads ku YouTube and all that, like just something to grab people's attention nje. Yeah, like everywhere laba khona ku TikTok mawuvula nje boni ad, like I want to be there, like kuyimi just changing, like but ngifuna like a real like equipment, like i-camera kube yami, like yabo.
But also pay attention to the fact that if it is TV, it's still in business, then people are still watching TV.
Nah, why would they take there are podcasts that have been taken with TV? Why is the case if I feel like they felt threatened? That's why now they're trying to grab like people's attention with these podcasts lower that people are watching. You see,
But our parents are still watching TV. Umoja
Yeah.
Love is doing good
Yeah,
because
Umoja
of
Love.
that. So it's like people are still watching TV.
Yeah, because they've taken even nama content creators like
Yeah. Yeah, but having an
Some
ad lapho kuMoja Love, it's still an ad.
still an
Bazobukela. That's where I wanna be.
And no one
Like
has
lapho
access
nje.
to Wi-Fi.
Yabo.
Like, let's not shy away from this. So people are still
Ekhaya
watching
sama-Wi-Fi
TV.
vele wekho maningi, so.
you say so.
Nah, i-OVU HD qeda ukufika, and people are buying i-OVU HD. So TV is just not giti ama youngsters.
Yeah, ne? So to us, you would still you would confirm and say, nah, it's not relevant to us. ne?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's
not
not.
at this point.
Yeah, ne?
Mara now
Only
my
for our
youngsters.
parents.
Yeah, only for our parents and Abokoko Melon. But also you need to pay attention ukuthi ama youngsters will not support you. Ama youngsters are not supporting.
Because now they want to be superstars.
Yeah, so it's
Yabo.
like
Bafuna ukufana nabo,
kubuhlungu,
so,
it's like
yeah.
But somehow ku Moja Love ba relate because kuna la mashow la wathi kugithi la ku nalega mama zala nani.
yeah.
Imagine ama 2000 ebuku indaba ka mama
Yabo.
zala.
They won't.
Like, they
they
won't,
won't.
yeah.
They won't. They
Yeah.
won't.
But there's something they're still watching though. So
Yeah.
So, like, how's the future of South Africa looking like for our content creators? Because now everyone wants like to make their own content.
Yeah.
So who's gonna watch
Yo.
you guys if now I wanna be a content
wanna do
creator?
your own thing.
You see, I wanna do my own thing. I want
Show
my
your
stuff to
talent.
be watched. So now who's gonna watch us now? How's
There's
it
a lot
looking
of
like
people.
for you guys?
Thing is, as that I've noticed now is ukuthi there's a lot of people, and people are still trapped into considering other people as celebrities. And the moment you do that, it makes you feel like you're not worthy enough to be one. So people are just comfortable with being supporters instead of saying, "Good, you know what? Mina isn't any celebrity. I'll be one myself." So the moment they still see other people as influencers and as celebrities, it's like, and there's a lot of people who just okay with watching. There's people who are still watching. Be like, "Eish, anyagalela yo,"
who's
but
just
it's like,
okay like with just watching.
Ukhalela ngengqondo but not ngezenzo. At least if uyakhalela but you're doing something, you're posting. So people are just, they think it's easy. I mean, they think it's hard. So people are okay with watching, and people are still going to watch. Shem.
Is it easy or like is it just hard? Like
making content.
yeah, like does it require like a lot of does it require maybe my skills and stuff like that?
Nah, it's not that hard. It's really not. It's not that hard. Food la I mean, just me changing weaves and then edit I post. That's it. Yeah, iba hard when like unama deadlines. So about like when you're working with certain brands and then bafuni video manje. Nado ya no funny video manje, and it's like so we pressure ke leyo my. It's like you have to work my. But my weekends are just for fun manje. I mnandi.
Yeah, so
What's the type of wave you went?
Iwabuza leyo question. Iweave A1 bukuya kamama hey magogo umuntu akudala ngisho so bukuyi A1 bukile yakhe and then ngayithatha ngacala ngayo kuyenza and then lawa manye I started buying them ngawathenga kancane ngiyathenga
Bathini wathenga iweave no?
akathengwa mampela ngisho yilawo
ukudlala
so they understand so it's
and then lawa manye lawo bangiphe wona
manje upay fair
someone texted me angitshela ukuthi ufuna ukungipha ama weave bangisendela I thought ukuthi hayi bangiscam or ufuna imali but ungiphile nje just kept quiet I was like ngiyabonga.
Yeah, ne.
That's
Which
it.
means yabona ukuthi ama-weaver akho nawo uma ne-weaver yikho safe uzoyisebenzisa next day.
I'm safe. You been safe because I'm wafagi. So
Yeah, ne. Okay.
Yeah.
And guys, like, do you have like a management team? Nipusha abobani nina guys?
let's push.
Siyazipusha masithu so vela
Yeah.
siphelele siyazipusha.
There's no management behind this.
No.
It's only you guys.
Yeah.
Yo.
But do you think it's wise to like get someone?
No, because we're going full time. So we can do it ourselves. No one can understand what we want. So
Okay.
Pella, when you have a manager, it's like they can do this while you're busy with other stuff.
Yes.
So it's
Yeah.
like let's just do
They
it
take
on our own.
accountability for you.
Mara
Yeah.
ngisho manager can also like push for ukuthi ubhokwe kuma event and all that.
But if you need
Which thina we
push,
are failing to do.
yeah, but we got our push. Remember when we went to the vacation, baby?
Okay.
That's what we needed.
Okay, I
Yeah,
get you.
so-
yeah.
And if you need to be pushed, it means you're not hungry enough. So you manage
Yeah,
yeah,
You say so?
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, but he might be right. Pella, I feel like, look at this, Ane. You guys are making content, you see, and you edit and you post, and that thing trends. But now, a manager can have like a certain like connect, like to get your stuff like to different places, whereby they'll be like,
Yeah.
no, let's have these guys. You see, so that person can arrange such things, you see. But when the only time that you'll get to say, no, I need to push content, you see. But
I get that.
yeah, but
well,
I think it's all in.
manager already unama-
Yeah, but
unama
also
contacts,
it's
yeah.
all in
Yeah,
ukuthi
it's mina
nifunani
kokote
at the end of the day. I think
Yeah.
it's also about that. Ukuthi, what is it that you guys want, like at the end of the day? And I want us like to have this chat, Ane. You mentioned ukuthi amanye ama-influencers, like if you have this thing, I would say, I'm a celeb now. So like even these people that we grew up knowing they're celebs now, amanye influencers, they don't even like consider those people like celebs anymore. Do you think like now is it versus like celebrities and influencers? Like, do you think are we having that battle?
ama-celebrity awasekho sonke sesingama-influencer
Yeah.
like
You
everyone
say so?
is just an
Yeah.
influencer. Yeah.
It's like yabona lama celebrities akhona
Yeah.
aphelile, so if it happens, God forbid, bashone bonke, I don't think we're gonna move to a space in life where kunama celebrities.
Yeah.
Signama influencers.
Yeah, it's just
Yeah,
influencers.
that's-
I feel like everybody is just evolving
Yeah,
to
like
being an
nalaba bayenza
influencer.
music, they
Yeah,
just-
base bama
yeah,
influencer
bayapromote
now, but it's
and all
like
that.
It's a lot of
like-
them.
We're
We've
all
seen
becoming
people. We've seen
influencers.
people. Casper is streaming.
Yeah,
Let's talk about that.
Exactly.
Nasty C is busy making
Yeah.
content on his YouTube channel.
Yeah,
Imagine
yeah,
a
yeah.
whole
Yeah.
fully hip hop
Full.
artist,
Yeah,
and he's also streaming.
Yeah.
He's busy. He was trending not so recently,
Yeah,
saying
Spa.
working at Spa. Imagine,
Yeah.
and like
So
that's
you
just
see-
and if you look at it, that's content.
Yeah.
It's content that
Yeah,
he's
well.
making.
It is.
You see,
And
so
then-
he's moving from being a celebrity to an
Yeah,
influencer
to an
space.
influence, yeah.
And also pay attention to the fact that all the people we considered as celebrities, we don't know them personally. Whereas ama influencers, they're posting about their personal lives. So it's not about the
Yeah.
character you're playing now, but it's also what you're posting on social media. It's also about showing us umuntu wamampela. Because now we can see whoever we saw in Generation, we just
Oh.
saw them good Generation.
Yeah.
But now
That is
we
just
can
that.
see
Yeah.
them, we can know it's the actual people. So yeah, I think everybody's now an
Yeah,
influencer.
everyone's an
baby.
influencer, man.
Yeah, ne? Yo. Okay. No, I hear you guys. And then what I also wanna know, I know you do comedy, but to someone who doesn't know, like content in, like what is it all about? Because obviously you guys make content even together. So I think even if one could answer that one, is your cover like
But
the
it's
whole
not the same.
it's not the same.
Are we doing the same thing?
We're not.
Is it?
Yeah, I mean,
Okay.
I'm more into comedy,
Okay.
and then
I'm moving to personality.
yeah, like just
So, yeah.
vlogging,
And I'm
all
also
that.
trying to find myself, but I know comedy is not what I just want to do. Comedy is
Yeah.
just giving people what they want.
Is it?
Yeah. I am a funny person. Yes, I do think about funny stuff, but it's not what I want to be known as. Go to Tepang Lohlekisayo, no.
Oh.
I just need to find a way to I need to find myself in the media platform.
Yeah.
And I'm trying that. So yeah.
Okay. Okay. And then what else do you guys like do apart from being like content creators or making content?
What do we do?
Yeah, what else? Like
We're trying to make money. Are we not?
Yeah, we just sit at home, just
And
yeah. You're gaming. I'm on my phone editing. That's what we do, Jay. What
do you
else
guys
do
like
we
consider
do?
yourself working?
yes.
Yeah, we do.
Because it's
Working a
funding,
full-time job?
Yes, it's funding
Yeah.
our lifestyle. So
Yeah,
we need to
exactly.
treat it like that. So it's not post, magnet.
Hmm.
So what we also noticed, do you remember that time when if you see it as just content creation, if you see it as just a platform to post anytime, it drive yako I ham like you can even post one thing a day and then be comfortable with that. Whereas maso ibona as umsebenzi, you're like, this is my life. If I'm posty, what's going to happen month end, if angenzi next, and then what about the lifestyle that you're trying to build or the lifestyle you're living? So yeah, we had to look at it as umsebenzi, like kamampela.
Oh. So but not looking and working for someone else.
Oh no, God forbid.
Why?
Oh no. Since as a kid, I knew it's been I can't.
You wouldn't work for someone else?
No, I no, not wouldn't. I'm not sure if anything happens and then I
Yeah.
find like I'll be desperate if that happens and I don't. Yeah,
You don't wish for that to happen.
I don't.
Mm.
Yeah, I
That's
don't.
why it's pusha kangaka.
Yeah, it's like bawukhumbula uthi yophela. Yeah, I don't want that. Not for myself.
Is it? Okay. And like people have this tendency like of disregarding my public relationship as my red flags. But there are people like you guys who shows us ukuthi love is beautiful, man. But you find also there are people who also would show you would say, hey, social media can make your life like a living hell, especially if you decide to publicize like
Yeah.
a relationship
Anything,
and stuff
yeah.
like that. You see, so for Nina guys, like how do you like maintain that kind of pressure that comes from the media? Yeah, like how do you deal with such a pressure, like of like people saying stuff, it's this and that, like, and also would see you guys could fight, like through or something, people would know, but post and say this and that, about all those kind of things, you see, because now abanye abantu baba nalento yokuthi if like you guys are in a public relationship, so many people becomes entitled to that relationship because now they got like, it's like now they have a say in your relationship, or else it's your relationship, so it's like ubaniga that leverage,
that platform.
Yeah.
Yes,
yes.
But also once he like Nachola and post about it, I feel like yineni and open up that thing ukuthi abantu makhona ukukhuluma. So once vele watsufuna ukuba influencer, forget about just ube private, like everything of yours nje, like bazokhuluma, like people will always be people. So
but I feel like we deal with the whole situation by knowing we're in this together.
Is it?
Yeah, because we look at certain comments, and then if Kona A1 like Kona manyama comment where you're like I don't care, and then there's that one, and then Suzohlala see tuna and just be like it's okay, it's really okay, and then whatever we post, we make sure. Let's say I'm gonna post something about somebody I met, and then people are gonna be like, yeah, navelu zomshia when Garab. It's like we made a patch, would say whatever, if that comes, we delete anything that makes people feel okay with disrespecting us. Like I need to protect his image, he needs to protect my image, so we're not doing this for likes, we're not doing it for anything, and at the end of the day we're just a couple who are entertainers, as opposed to and we make people laugh. So yeah,
and sometimes it's not about that love or embracing, good showing now you guys are lovey-dovey, good camera and stuff. You see, you just entertain people.
We're entertaining people, and then if we post something, it's because man, it was a special moment. It was really a special moment. And at the end of the day, we can't be posting with Satanda as we're trying to have a family, we're trying to build something, and then we're clowns, and it's like social media is not that important. Our lives are, and our love life is. Number one.
And how do you guys also like maintain that you guys are together but still work together? Like you're a couple that works together. Like how do you maintain that?
It's putting our relationship first. If we're not okay, everything stops.
We
Like,
don't
no one is
record.
posting, no one is recording. It's like we need to talk about this, and then we're gonna take a day off. Like now, sizokhuluma, keep the camera. No. So whatever we're expressing, it's because we were okay in that moment. Now, I need deadline, I need to post, and we're not okay. It's like everything needs to stop. You're not making money while we're not okay. So it's like we're putting our relationship first at all times.
How often do you guys fight?
Like
in a month, or should I say
in a week?
Yeah, in a week.
7 days, maybe 5.
Like relationship in ups and downs, man.
Ilanga like lingaphela elinye ngeke liphele, but akunakuthi siyathukana.
Like she's just being a girl. Like ngakhuluma into wrong and then akwade and then to apologize and all that. Mele ngimncenge like kanjalo, like she's just being a girl nje.
Kushuthi uyisusayo.
Nayingamabomu. Phela ngihlale ngizenza staring ngathi how so if anything nanoma kungaba ifeeling encane that he's getting, we need to talk about it. Like now you're gonna hold on to something, and then izibhankeke masuzokwata one day, so keep your own king. It's like we're trying to avoid that, so we are going to have conflicts each and every day. Angeke uhlale nomuntu 24/7 ngabe nento eyi-1 onyeke uzuyisho so it's like whatever it is, say something. Whatever it is, say something.
So you guys like stay together 24/7?
No. The whole day besizongimisa ekhaya ngabo 7, 9, 8.
10,
Yeah, so
around that, yeah.
Oh.
so leso sikhathi leso.
You're not staying together. Kan?
No.
no.
But it's like we are ngekhaya nyolala ekuseni
Yeah,
uyazongithatha abo 8 uyazongithatha.
it's
It's like
game like kanjalo.
Like bro, awukhinyeki ukuhlala nomuntu sonke lesikhathi.
Yo, no, I don't like everything hlezi nginaye. Like we always talking about something different.
Different.
yabo.
Every day is not the
Yeah,
same.
every day
Yeah.
is not the same nje lakithi. So I'm
like,
loving that.
You don't have omunye umngane nje beside ugelo wakho.
I don't. Abangani. Ngabayeka kudala abangani. I'm
Why?
good.
Is it not like a good thing to have like in the media space?
Having content friends, it's something
Yeah,
than
it's
having
something
genuine
else than
friends and
having
you
a best friend like
Yeah.
engizothi mangithi ngilanda uThepa bese hayi ndoda sami siyophuza yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah, like laba abangani na.
Oh.
I don't.
And we don't consider someone maunaye mele keep camera as a friend.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Shoot,
that's
uh,
yeah.
You don't
Masihleli
like that?
sithu no, I feel like we shouldn't say we are friends. We're working. If you're making money out of a friendship, then we are working. Are we not? Yeah.
Okay. And I was asking then your public relationship because we've seen recently, we saw Ghost Luby. I want us to talk about that. Ghost Luby made a video. Recently, he made a video with Usain Bougie. You see, asking Usain Bougie to be his girlfriend. You feel me? And I saw you even posted about this. That's why I'm
Yeah.
even bringing it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, she did. She posted about this. So Usima felt otherwise. Actually, she did. So if in your own perspective, Njawena, if it was him who was doing that, what was gonna be your reaction?
Okay, wait. Can I say something first before I
Okay.
answer that?
Okay.
Remember, we said we're putting our relationship first before content. So I feel like I problem yabo iqale mabafaka I content
first.
iqala. It's like content, bro. Like masisicala sifaka ama pranks.
Yeah,
There's certain
true.
pranks that you're doing is disrespect to umuntu wakho. But because it's content,
it answers exactly.
it's
Yeah,
like
true.
yeah.
True.
So I think that's where the first problem was. But ibuhlungu. And if he were to do it to me, I'll just think ukuthi he's not being smart. He's not leaving. He's just letting people control him.
Yeah.
Is it?
He's letting the people control what he does. But I remember, Guti, before you do that, you need to think about it. What's on your mind? You're like, okay, content amayenzi kahle.
Yeah.
It's in text to Usain
Usain
Bougie.
Bougie,
Okay,
yeah.
obvious abamthandi. Like it's the fact that it's in your mind.
And
That's the
before
person you're
text
becoming.
uyayicabanga futhi.
Uyayicabanga bese niyatextana bese niyahleka ngayo.
Yeah.
And then you're editing for the people, for the views. What about your life? What
Because it's
about
not like
what you
utext
believe
Usain
in?
wathi hello hi let's do content okay
How?
sharp like pen mele
You need to
bakhulume
talk about it.
like
I-content
ukuthi what are we
iyaplanwa,
doing
guys.
yeah senza so na so
And
so
then-
all that
yeah.
time lokho enikhuluma uyayicabanga lento le and partner yakhe
Yeah.
ayikho engqondweni yakhe
So
like,
behind the scenes, what's going on your mind? So I would feel sorry for him that he got to a point where he's literally selling his soul or whatever for the views. Because now he's doing it for money. What about the person you are? What about what you're thinking when you're doing all that? So I would feel sorry for him. And then I'll be happy because I'm not doing that. Unfortunately, yes, I'm hurting, but I'm not doing that. I'm not letting views and everything else control me.
But also, do we blame him? Because remember, they were no more together also. But it's like this thing. It happens, man. With bahlukane, babuyelana. We know that. Like we know that. You see. So and then she commented actually on this because she said Usima. Ghost Luby doesn't like it when she trends.
Yeah.
But I feel like she's just being jealous, man.
She's not.
she's not,
not. Remember
She's
when
valid.
bebaku podcast the Ghost made sure ukuthi uza nama flowers.
Yeah.
Uyenzela bani? I wish if you wanted to give me flowers bozonginikeza
Yeah,
before, not the camera my own. So there's certain things you pick up, man. Uyabona ukuthi ezinye izinto man ama views,
you have to
man.
respect that
Like usebenza nge relationship yami. So it's certain things that we allow ezincane that builds up.
Builds,
Yeah, it builds up.
Yeah, true.
So For him, he's benefiting, yes. But what about my image? Yes,
people-
sihlukene,
yeah.
but uthe uyangithanda one day. Even when the cameras were off, there was a point in your life you said you love me, but you're gonna do that. It's the thought behind everything. So he was wrong for that.
Yeah, he was.
And they saw no foods, not just is he wrong? He saw no foods.
Okay, no, it's fine. Let's move on from that.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What are your top 5? Let's start with you, Dog. What are your top 5 content creators?
Yeah. Hey, that question. Always. Top 5. Let's start with number 1. I'd say Wandile Spelele. I'm not sure if you know him or what. I don't. Shy comedy naye, but here and there.
Okay.
Yeah. Number 2, I'd say it's my girl. Yeah,
Okay.
it's my girl. Number 2, things will include our baby. Number 3, who's this guy? I wouldn't say you ghost. Like I wouldn't say you ghost. Konjman usiphokuhle. Number 3, because she's the reason why like ngiqalile nami boy content like bengithanda malo ka trend and all that. So I'd say nayo khona. Number 4 ne? Yeah, number 4 kula ngafaka khona ngathi ughost. Yeah, ngathi ughost.
What do you like about Ghost?
Moshe.
Emotion yakhe nokuhlakanipha kwakhe like ngathi ubamba i-internet ngezandla
That guy,
zakhe like
that's what they've been saying.
Yeah.
That guy, it's like he knows exactly what the
Yeah,
internet needs,
like,
dog.
yeah, we are
he
both-
knows, like,
Yeah.
if I make this move,
Yeah,
these people are gonna
kuzoyenzakala
follow
so,
me. Yeah, he
yeah,
knows,
yeah,
because
both.
with that move, Mvana,
yeah.
yo, that's why even
Yeah.
Nosima decided to jump, because
Yeah.
exactly people were tagging her. Like, yabo, imagine they're not together, but she's being dragged.
Yeah.
Her name is still dragged. Like,
Yabo.
yabo, it's like it's attached to Ikamala Ghost Lubi. Yeah, that
Yeah.
guy is motion.
Ah,
that one,
cool.
yeah, and even his subscribers say so. I think
Yeah,
he's the
everything.
biggest. Yeah, I think he was one of the biggest content creators we have in SA
Yeah, in
now.
SA, yeah.
Yeah, because he competes up no MacG, like his
Ooh.
subscribers. Imagine.
And make
Yo.
you hlangene nabanye
MacG
phela.
like
Nama
it's
channel
content-
amaningi.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
it's content creators
Yeah.
inside there. Yeah, and
Yeah.
it's just
We
one
won,
man
yeah.
doing it.
Imagine.
Yeah.
That guy has
That's
motion.
motion, yeah.
He has motion.
And then yeah, the fifth
number
one.
5. Number 5 ngathi bani baningi yo.
I'm trying to think.
Baningi, like there's
You
so
must take
many
my
of
sister. We're
them.
coming to you now.
There's so many of them. Yo, who's this guy konje? Uphilani.
Mpilani.
Yeah, Uphilani. Uhlala nabo Wandile vele like he skim C1. Yeah, I'd say yibo by 5 lab.
Okay. And what are your top 5 content
Not
creators?
in any particular order, ne?
Okay.
My boyfriend.
Okay.
Konjubani, baby. Hobie. This girl. Lo faka
Yeah, ma girls,
No, it's
but
not
after
girls,
girls
yini?
and shufake ma dentures, I think.
I don't know what
Is
they
it?
call. I don't know. There's this other girl on TikTok. Uhleza faka lezinto lezi emazinyweni ezichinai.
Okay.
I think I like her personality, ne? And then
Tap saying.
Ntabseng. Yeah, Ntabseng. But content wise, but I'm not saying showing a
Okay.
personality.
Okay.
Content wise,
Content wise, content creators.
Abo Pele.
Pele ngibathanda personally.
Okay, ngiyaka
That's the
understand,
thing. Content wise.
Siyamthanda.
Yeah, Siyamthanda. So it's my boyfriend and Siyamthanda.
Okay.
Mela ngiqhubeke. I
Yeah.
think that's all.
Oh, that's all for you.
Yeah.
Oh.
The rest ngibathanda personally, like as the people they are. So not because of their content bangzoscrolla. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And tell me about that interview that you had with SABC, Kunkunkwezi FM. How did it came about, that one?
You also had it.
He was also there, but
Nah,
were you also
yeah.
interviewed there?
Ngelinye
Is it?
lang, yes. So we were
the
not
one
there
I
the same
picked up,
day.
I think it's yours.
Yeah.
I didn't pick up
Yeah.
that he went there.
But we
Oh,
vlog,
No,
yeah,
he
Kona.
went first.
oh, he went first.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Aye, the experience is nice.
It was
yo,
nice, innit?
yo.
was.
It makes you feel like it's, you know what, I can see where I'm going. Like ngiyayibona indlela the fact ukuthi that person chose you. You know what? Can you please come to Ikwekwezi FM? It's like, okay, mama, it's happening. Like since ngiyazi ngisemncane Ikwekwezi, not to listen to it, but the fact that someone from there saw you worthy enough to come and then give you time and then give you the
Text.
platform. You, it's like, yeah, usahamba kahle. Like continue. There's a lot of doors to be opened, but the fact that I opened that one is, yeah, it made me very, very, very happy. Yo, kakhulu.
And as much as you said with your mom wants you like ukuthi ufunde
It's not
and
that
stuff.
deep.
So like, okay, I know, yeah.
Yeah.
I also heard you saying that. So
Yeah.
like, all I wanna know was that like, how did it make her feel? Like, oh, mom, like this is finally happening. Was she supportive? Like from then, did like maybe she changed maybe her attitude or the things that she used to say to you or
Yeah.
how she sees all these content creation thing.
Mina, I was raised by a very, very gentle woman. She was
Okay.
a gentle mother. She's never said, "Ah, ungayenzi le nto lena." Like my mom always believed ukuthi impilo yakho, like impilo yakho, I lived mine. As long as you're a happy girl, like chase whatever makes you happy. So from the moment ngimtshela ukuthi ngifuna ukwenza content creation, she was okay with that. She was, whether she knew what I was going for or not, but she was okay as long as I'm happy and I'm healthy. So nanomiyenzeka lento leyo, she was like, "Oh, congratulations. I'm so proud of you." But at the same time, I could change support yakhe because support from before. So yeah, things are always the same. Things are still the same because she's always been supportive. She didn't need to see the results. Yeah, so that's what I can say.
Okay. And also ngiyeke ngabona ukuthi you're supposed to ukuthi you guys went on and met up with the kings of, or should I say the kings or queens of abo Smash Pass, abo Smiley, abo Tamelona, abo Fezela, like bonobazi kanjani?
Oh, usmiling mazi because wang DM ngesikhathi ngisayenza ama Smash Pass. Remember I said that ukuthi bemasihlangane ya. So we were supposed
Where
to
again
collab.
Smash Pass?
I'm rebranding myself. I don't want to be the girl who hosts a Smash Pass like that.
Yeah.
I feel like I can do better
You
things.
can.
So
Okay.
yeah, ngawayeka, and then I was smiling. We never got a chance to collab, but we sahamba sayobavakashela the other time
Yeah.
in Etimbisa, so we know them. It's like, oh guys, do your thing, hey. So yeah.
And you guys, like, I don't know, man. I feel like as much as ni consistent go TikTok, Facebook, you guys are not consistent on YouTube. No,
Ish.
let's be honest, though. Let's be honest. Why is that?
We are not.
Kunzima.
You guys have like,
we are trapped.
No,
Like, we
yazi-
just
yazi
need to
inkinga
find
yethu-
a way
inkinga
out.
yethu iyi-one. We don't promote our YouTube. Like we don't
But
at
baby,
all.
since so shooter.
Okay, siyashoot
Siyashoot,
and we
azange
edit, but
siyithande.
exactly. Like it shootile the other day. Masekumele si-edit, we didn't like the video.
So
kumele
it's
sidelete.
sivumelene
Uyabo?
ukuthi ena
Sayidilita
we'll do it
and then-
again.
And the link, nama-link wethu, like we don't promote them at all. Like we don't. Sithulile nje nge-YouTube, just focusing
But it
on
means
other
we're
things.
trapped in whatever cycle we have going on. Like we just need to find a way out of whatever it is and include YouTube in our lives. Siyazama, shem, yo.
so you
No,
guys
no,
like can't
mhlanje.
take the same content ni post on Facebook and TikTok to YouTube.
Mina I can post the ama video wami kuma YouTube shorts yabo, but hey nakhona ngiyakhohlwa. Yeah, ngiyakhohlwa. Like I think if ngiziprogram ekudala ngendaba ye-YouTube, I think I would have been posting, ngabe ngi-consistent ngokuposta. Manje it's like ngacala ku-TikTok and I was like, you know what, sengichubeke ku-TikTok, thought TikTok izoba nemali, and then yabo just
Yeah, but it does pay angithi ngalento yokuthi if like they give
Ma-brand
you
deals.
and
no,
stuff.
my
Kumele ube live.
life, yeah, my life.
You guys don't do lives. I've never.
We need to
Aye.
have our own time.
Yeah.
So must be city. I relationship yethu yona.
Yeah.
Like Yeah, ish. We
Mara
have a
siyaba
live.
live lapho nalapho.
Like
Oh, lapho
maybe for 1
Yeah.
hour.
Yeah, and then we
in two-
promise
in
it
two-
to
in
ukuthi
2 weeks.
kusasa sizoba live and then we just
Yeah.
don't.
We just have better things to do
Yeah.
together as people, as real
Yeah.
people. So yeah. But it's just, we'll do better. We'll do better.
And you guys like, I want to you guys like are so very, very creative. Like, where are you getting the method like of creating these videos? Like, you guys like are so creative, man. Cause like, there's this video of you trending, Uphuma Polo. Yeah, like that, nje. It's something people know, but
Yeah.
people abanye, they don't think of doing it. But
Yeah.
you thought of doing that, and it
Yeah.
trended.
Yeah.
Should I say it?
Yeah, say it.
Oh,
baby.
okay. Ngithatha ama inspirations from Facebook. Like I want my Facebook posts, so like ngiyangena ku Facebook, ngiscroll and just see a post and then be like, you know what, mina I can do this, but I can add my own lines, I can make it better, and then ngiya screenshots and then just go and make it basically.
It's like
Maybe.
leyo video leyo maybe uthola ukuthi
Yeah.
ukhona umuntu opost ukuthi yo amantombazana mawahlika kumapholo
Yeah.
kanti ama-Uber, and then when are you trying to think ukuthi how can I make
Yeah.
someone comment lento le but mina ngenza video ngayo, and we talk about it and two minds are greater than one.
Yeah.
And sihlala lokishini, we read ama comments, so that's where we just stay in touch with people and create something relative. Yeah.
So you guys like check Pela, that post in J. I think he have a million views now, even on Facebook, and there are so many comments. Do you guys like check all those comments?
Mina I do.
You
I
do?
I do. Amanye ngiyawaphendula and then amanye is just like mangapost video my
Yeah.
namhlanje ivideo khona ngizophendula ama comments. Kusasa ngiyopost enye video. I won't be replying
Yeah,
to
some
ama comments
comments
lawo,
So you
yabo.
don't check them all.
Yeah.
No, but I go back and then check ukuthi nama comments ayingaki and then check ngiwafunda amanye and then reply to like 2 or 3 and then ngiyayekela bese ngimele ngireply kule enye.
It's difficult, isn't it?
Yeah,
If you were to say you reply wonke,
Yeah.
it's
Because
difficult.
the
isn't it?
thing post 2-3 videos.
Do you have a method? Like you post how many videos a day?
2 to 3
Oh.
videos, but
Okay.
it depends ukuthi
It targets, it's 2 to 3 videos.
yeah.
And then kuya ngamalanga if we created ama videos are enough or not.
Yeah, ne? Yo, but usually it's nice. You're working and you're enjoying. Like, how does it feel?
It's knowing the limits, knowing ukuthi unga overwork, right?
Yeah.
It's like yabona njengamanje sisebenzile and then we just gonna maybe for 2 hours or so sizoyenza ama videos and then after lapho
Yeah,
leave. Leave, don't forget to leave. The whole purpose ukuthi singayemsebenzini, it's because we need to leave.
Enjoy, yeah.
So yeah. My masoyenza content the whole day. It's
Yeah,
yeah.
it's not gonna. Okay, okay. And Besku Ndabayabo Smile. What were you guys there for actually? On that day,
Yes,
you
that's
guys
It
were
was a vlog. It
vlogging.
was just a moral support. It's like
Oh,
sicela ukuza.
Lesikhathi sibayenzela lapha salon.
Yeah.
Ah,
basile
no,
nje.
lapha goes Amatala store. The time you guys were, it was
Oh.
Amatala
Sela
store.
saqale
okay,
ukuthi
Tempe.
amadala saye
Yeah.
salon.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah, yes.
We had no reason.
Yeah.
We just-
they just invited you.
Yeah, we're like
and
going
then
to
sahamba.
Zoza.
Yeah.
And interview Fezela that day.
Yeah.
That's how that's why I'm saying I've always seen your face, but I didn't know who you are actually. Yeah, that's how I got like to see when you interviewed Fezela.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that video it got motion. It was trending actually. And like, was it your first time like in Hlangana now?
First time ngihlangana no Fezela. No water in person.
Yeah, no water.
Watermelon, yeah.
Lesikhathi umjabulele, yeah.
Oh, Smiley. No, you smile. Was it not?
Lapha ngazi.
Yeah, it was the first time ngibabona bonke. Just ukuthi benginabo ku WhatsApp. It's like people I just knew, but it was the
Yeah.
first time ngizobabona. So it was like, we're not doing anything, baby. Let's go, let's vlog, and let's just go to Tembisa. Yeah.
And how long have you guys been together now?
256 days.
That's 6 months. I'm just in a strike. In a strike with TikTok. I didn't check.
Yeah, 255
255
days.
Yeah.
Yeah, 6 months. I don't
And
know.
you guys have never cheated on each other. I tried to look for scandals. I couldn't find any.
not.
ngeke
Yeah,
uzithole
no.
I tried.
Nah, we are always together, so
Even when we were not together.
No, listen. Not like that. Not like that. How? Yo, she's yo yam.
So it's when you go together.
Oh,
You do something.
No. But you know, masingeko itu, I'm always at home,
Yeah.
just gaming, playing in Japan.
No, mabongeko always at home. It's fine, no.
Okay. And I recently saw you guys. You collaborated to do Mr. Baby Powder. Tell me about that link up. Yo, hey, Ikshangemba, mate, that guy. Are you Baby Powder? Night, let's tell us that.
Being a
Being a plain
We didn't know.
We didn't even know he was coming because besambile, but it's a group thing. Besi Devon.
Oh yeah, he was.
Yeah.
You guys were in Devon recently, and
Yeah, my.
I saw my pictures. Yo, yeah, nego pay. Baby's on
It was
vacation.
nuts. Just was singing.
Yeah.
Saya good Devon song as a group. So, but no one
When
knew.
you go Devon July?
This is Zambele, just
Zambele.
Just for vacation.
Yeah, but we didn't
But-
know what's abobana.
Yeah, but we knew it was a creators thing. So it wasn't just an
Behlangana
invite
content
to
creator.
Yeah, my
Yeah.
content
So you guys
creator.
do that.
Yeah. Like we want to guys, let's go to Durban, and then I text down
And I call it WhatsApp
Yeah.
or just scrolling. They post a gift and then
Yeah,
mangita
that's
and baby pen and then
So you guys like have a
Decided,
group of content creators.
Angisho kuma WhatsApp.
Kuma
It's like
WhatsApp,
what
like
he
in the-
posts on WhatsApp.
yeah.
Amunye umuntu anyeka zayibona. So obviously ama WhatsApp yakhe kuzoba ama creators. So that's how yonke lento le came about.
And also, what I wanna know, like as a content creators, dog, you can't have over 200 and something followers on Facebook. On WhatsApp, how many people watch your status, dog? On WhatsApp,
On your real WhatsApp.
Yeah.
on my real WhatsApp,
Yeah.
nama WhatsApp I true. I have a real WhatsApp, I have a business.
Okay.
Go real WhatsApp, maybe it's about given probably 20, 30 people who actually see my status and all that.
Okay.
Yeah, and then go business
Good business
WhatsApp
300, 400, it's
700.
like yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo.
700.
Mara abantu abacabanga ukuthi but they don't know ukuthi it's the second they think bachetha nuts like amampela, whereas it's like we also have a real life somewhere else.
Okay.
So we give out
Yeah.
our numbers, but nama WhatsApp too.
Yeah, because
Oh.
obviously
Yeah.
angeke sinike because
So
that link
post
to ama accounts
the
wethu
account le,
nakhona.
so it's like
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do you think is that wise for you guys to do that?
It is.
Connecting
It
with
is.
your fans.
Yeah, it is. Because nama brands at the end, I think nabazo realize lento leyo and bazofuna ukuthi bapromote something on that. Because baya engage ku WhatsApp abantu.
And then ubatshela
Like
ukuthi
they
yeah guys
really do.
masambeni so commentani ngale, and
Uyabo?
then just
Like
having
ubasusa ngabo
people to feel
bayisa ngale.
closer to you.
Build a
Bangaboni as
community.
yeah.
Just building a community in Japan.
But you don't have to. It's just we chose to
Yeah.
go an extra mile.
Yeah.
Okay. So Ivala, ne, I just wanna know, like beside like growing followers and making money, like what else like would you say you guys are gaining like from just making content besides gaining my followers and making money? What else like
and
can you
making
say?
money.
Would you say this is one thing that actually this is one of the things that I'm gaining like from this?
It's our start. So do you want to start?
You can start.
It's living life and breaking boundaries. Talking to people you never thought you'll ever talk to. It's like yo lo muntu bengimbukele, and now it's
Yeah.
like yo bayangazi. It's just opening up the world, like
Yeah,
ukuvuleka komhlaba.
Yeah, it's having
Yeah.
ama-contacts amaningi, like ukubona abantu, ukukhuluma nabantu.
It's like
Yeah.
yabona njengamanje kunama-event ayenzakala and people go to the events but they don't know ukuthi kunomunye umnyango abangangeni kuwo, but we're invited to go kuloyo mnyango loyo, and then you get to see people behind the scenes before bayo-performa. It's just
Yeah, like life ayiphelile
Yeah.
Davidson kuphela, like there's actual life out there.
Yeah, true.
and there's VIP.
Look now, you guys are in Soweto. How,
Yeah, well.
how did that happen?
And that's so
let's talk about
asivakashela
that.
ngugogo.
Yes. Yeah.
It's like,
Let's talk about that. How did that happen?
Umuntu makandlula uzibonela indlu, but mawungena phakathi
Yeah,
it's like a studio where people are pushing something. So
Yeah.
yeah, the world is opening up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, ne?
Ngathi mawudlala i-GTA maceda ngisho imap yakhula
Yeah,
yakhula. So it feels like
Uyamdlalisa
that.
ama-game, ne?
Ayayidlala. Hayi kancane. Vele i-PS angisayithini, ithintwa uye.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah.
So bathi love is beautiful. And then ngicela ni lokho.
Comment.
Like kunabantu abasingile. Ngike nibazise nje ukuthi uthando lumnandi kangakanani, luhle kangakanani. Njengabantu abathandanayo abenza izinto together. Yeah.
Asikhulumi ngothando, sikhuluma ngothando. Right? There's a difference. There's a difference between I love you and I love you.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah, madod.
Yeah.
Mawuthi
Kunomehluko,
I love you bese athi I
man.
love you too.
Yeah.
Kumele athi I love you more.
It's like there's a difference. Fana ukuthi yeah, yabona if you're past a failed relationship, don't say as mina uthando langidlula. It's not love if it failed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So ungayihlanganisi with the whole concept of love. You thought you were in love. But real love is very beautiful.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful kakhulu. And kumnandi. Like noma uyenza into like nanoma ngekho umuntu but you know at the back of your mind somebody loves you. Somebody is rooting for you. So it's a nice feeling. Like your life becomes clear. Yeah. So it's a thing, guys.
Yeah.
But don't find love. It will find you.
Yeah, love will find you.
Ngathi siyofuna uthando.
Is it important that thing? Like,
It is.
love should find you, ne?
It is. It is.
Yeah. Yeah.
You
Don't
don't have
find
to
yourself
go. You don't have
chasing.
to go and look for love. But
Because the moment you go and look for something, uzothola something else. Man.
is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just open your aura to
Yeah.
love.
So ukuthi
Uthi,
you want
I
to
deserve
be
to be
yeah.
loved. I'll be loved.
Yeah.
But yeah, mawukhuluma nomuntu
Like
ungakhulumi
mawuye
ukuthi ngifuna
esontweni, ungayi
sijole.
ngokuthi nawe
Ufuna
ufuna
uthando.
yeah. Just go to church and say like I'm going to praise God. That's it.
And then mawupraise uGod.
Yabo,
Oh,
manje ufuna
uzokuthola.
Yeah.
hambe
Yeah.
uyogroove,
Yeah.
just drink and enjoy.
Yeah.
Ungayi
Yeah.
ngokuthi ngifuna lo cherry loyana, just go and enjoy. And uzobona like everything else will follow.
Yeah.
Yeah. So lento le ye gender based violence ikhozwa yini noma nicabanga? Because mostly uthola abantu abebethandana naba manje sebeyabulala
Sebeyashayana.
asazi ukwenzekeni.
Akusinto individual. I feel like no woman can push you ukuthi umshaye.
Yeah.
So if when you have it like phakathi kwakho, whether you were able to express it or not, but mase kuzofika le ntombazana le ezoyikhipha that in you. So like akunando ngasho namanje ngithi ngaya kulomuntu lona ungaze ngikwashaya umuntu and he knows he will never do that. Noma ungamthuka kanjani noma ungayenzani noma ngayenzani, he will never find himself in a situation like shaya khona. You can never force someone to be capable of ukukushaya. So I feel like it's always been about the person.
Yeah.
Not ukuthi just because sithu na ngizokushaya ngoba wena uyenze so and so. No, I don't think it is. I don't. Do you think it is? When do you feel like ukuthi ungamshaya umuntu wesifazane?
Well, now it's directed to me. Well,
Yeah.
ukuthi amanye ama situation they are very tricky, you know, cause uthola ukuthi abanye abantu like I feel like people look at just one side of the story, cause now uzothola ukuthi like I'm dating this girl and then we have this argument and then she maybe I say something that upsets her and then she would like grab something and just angishaya ngayo and then I'm gonna lose my temper and then ended up like but at that current moment in time now because of now useke ngishayile oh so phela there are women like who pushes you ukuthi umshaye those are the things that I feel like they're overlooked, you see, and then at the end of the day kuba like you know what uSipho ushaya umbali akusabi angeke kuthiwe umbali uqala uSipho then uSipho washaya umbali, you see, it's I feel like that. So ukuthi ezinye into like we can never know, but futhi if you're not that type of a person ongashaya abafazi, even if she beats you, you wouldn't. But there are people like who step out of their character whenever like maybe Toluguti ubafaka in an awkward position whatsoever. Like there are people who does step out of their character. Ukuthi umuntu now that person like is out of their character at that current moment in time. So those things happens. You see, it's real. It's out there. That's what. That's why we have. I don't feel like gender-based violence is because of amadoda vela banalento yokuthi no abafazi sifuna ukubashaya. It's not that. It's not that. You see, it's nothing like that. Same applies to cheating. It's nothing like that. I with Masjola we date to cheat, but somebody pushes someone ukuthi cheat. If now sekatufuna ukuza ku uThepang and you don't have time for her, bro. Obviously, like you are pushing her to a certain direction now. You see, it's like you're pushing her away. You see, so now like she's stepping out of the person that you know and becoming someone else and doing things that she used to do. You see, because those daily routine that she used to used to do, she's not doing them anymore. So obviously should fill, there's a space that should fill with, you know what, I feel like there's a certain space you fulfill a certain space in her. So if now you are not there anymore, obviously like it's gonna be a thing of it's either she can get someone else whatsoever. So those things, like I feel like there's always like two sides of a coin, yeah, and we focus on just one side of the coin.
So are you saying, Oguti, if you find yourself push it to that limit, it means you're lacking self-control? Because the fact that you're able to step out of character. Like, I feel like if you believe in something strongly, you will never want to see yourself doing that. If you're allowing yourself uzibona so big isandla, you can't say ukuthi yo ngibone sengimshayile. So are you lacking self-control?
No, but tell me, have you ever like been in a situation whereby you have done something that you see with I shouldn't have done that? There is something that you have done like that.
But there's regret.
Yeah.
And then there's also doing something absurd to what you believed in. It's like, I feel like as a man, you need to know, which mean I will never hit a woman.
Like,
and as a woman, you need to know, which but as a man, it's like, you know, which mean, you know, mama, no sis, no ban. I will never find myself in that situation. Kampani delele. Kampanung sharing airport on your case than for me to find myself in the because that stays with me. I hlala lo muntu loyo uthi yo mina ke ngashaya usipho no wena ukhe washaya uzibani.
It stays.
So it's like I don't want to see myself in that situation. So noma kungayenzakala I will walk away. Ungangikapa ngepoto ngiveli twing but I don't want to see myself like that. If you find yourself doing that, it's either you're lacking self-control or you never felt strongly about something. It's like njengamaye bengathi umuntu amadlozi awekho but wena ukhulu uzitshelile ukuthi kunedlozi noma ungayenza noma kungafika ubani akubonisa ukuthi no one will take that away from you. So you can't say the woman took away the man in me yokuthi ngashaya abantu besifazane. I don't think that's a thing. So don't say ukuthi hey ngizibone sengimshaya.
But funny enough, it happens.
But
it happens, bro. What's your take, man? I think we have like different perspectives.
Ngivumelana naye because if ugirl uyakwazi ukukushaya ngepani ukushaya ngepani mai yabo like uThepang uyangishaya like mina as a guy right now ngukarabo like I just walk away like ngizomtshela ukuthi angisakufuni and just walk away like ngiyahamba ngiyamiyekela. That's it.
Like
okay, bro. Let me make this example because now we'll make example on Tepang. If now another girls come and beat you, it's not Tepang, it's a different girl. You guys maybe are probably friends. What's gonna happen then? That's a different situation, dog. What then?
Listen, if young shy local lawyer, I will already ngizitshela ukuthi abantu besifazane I won't touch them. Like I ain't but if we young shy, then I just walk away like ngiyamiyekela. If we uyaqhubeka young shy, then why ungavula case or something? Or hambi yobiza usisi wakhe azolwa naye like ntombazana to ntombazana. That's it. Yeah, umbambe until as I calm it down like something like besides you kumshaya because uyazi ukuthi uzom overpower umfana like you're a guy. Yabona if yena usakulandelela then siyabona ukuthi then ufuna ukukushaya okay biza usisi wakho or something like call someone or umbambe like subdue her nje ahlale phansi nje akhona ukuzicabanga.
But also mina I feel like I'm not saying I'm against what you're saying, but I'm saying like also I feel like abanye amadoda shaya abafazi, it's the thing of they wanna they wanna feel that power, man. Yabo. Like they wanna be called. It's like this thing of I'm a man, like, you know. So it's well, it's totally wrong. It's absolutely wrong.
Just
Yes, it's absolutely wrong. But abanye, like, it's the thing we could see now. You know, like there's this phrase that says, first you get the money, then you get the power. So the minute, like, you have money, like, you feel you can have control of everything. You see, even a woman can't just disrespect you and just leave it like that. That's the thing. That's how they think, some of them.
But it's not their fault, because also as women, we make men feel like vele kunjalo. You can't tell me ukuthi mawunemali mawufika ngaphandle uthina imali, girl, be my girlfriend. There's girls abazovuma baningi. So you it's like, as women are also playing a part in that, because if we were not, ngabe indoda icabanga njalo. There's women who let men think that.
True.
So it's like, we're also playing a part. We're not just victims, but as individuals we are. It's like, I never made you feel like that. I never made you see ukuthi ngifuna imali yakho, but the previous girl made you feel like that. But we're not the same. So mina ngeke uzongitshela ukuthi ngesandla sakho uzongibonisa ukuthi uyindoda. No. Mara leyana enye meyasho ukuthi ngishaye. There's women who say that. Ngishaye ngisho uyindoda ngishaye. And they believe in that.
That's the thing. That's what I've said. That abanye they are pushed. Like, some other guys, they find themselves in situation, because now even the guys that we find in jail, like abayenza crime, it's not like they woke up and say, I want to be a criminal. No one is there and say, I would say, some of them strongly believe they would say, I would never steal, but at the end of the day, but never
you feel like when if you in relationship yabo is soft, like kungana lobo violence nyana thizini tontoni, ubona sengathi kuba sengathi yampora le lo thando lolo, because yena ufuna that thing yabo. As a man, kumele ubuye uthi kushaya impama kancane.
Because khona abachira abathande out gangster, like who like umjito gangster. You see, because most girls will find girls bathanda umuntu like who spin cars, like about, you see, like rough guys.
So, but it's not about the guy; it's about what he does.
Yeah, it's about what he does,
and it's no longer about the person. It's about all guys about spinayo. So, do you see what say good plantole? So, it's about a certain thing that people do. So ukuthi masothanda umuntu ospinayo, it's like bengasingawo, it's just you are the closest guy ospinayo engimtholile. So that's different. True. But mina, I strongly feel like no one can take something out of you that was never there. It's like, okay, even if it was never there, if no Adam no Eve, they strongly believed in God, but something came and yayenzani yamikisa it out. So loyo muntu loyo phakathi uyivulile leyo gap. So mawumshayile umuntu wesifazane, it's because of something that you believed in, something that you lacked phakathi, something that you didn't have faith in. Maybe ngaba ukuthi ukhe wabona ubhuti wakho amshaya and then waphila kahle bachubeka bajola. There's something econtrolile, the same way the snake bought Eve. The same way the snake, let's say what's this? Ukungakholwa, like ukungasakholwa. Like ukucabangela, but they ended up finding themselves bayidla, not because they were not those people, but there was something ele appealed phakathi inside of them. Good, but what if? So if it was never the snake, ngabe yikho yonke lento leyo. But at the end of the day, there was something eyaba phakathi kwabo. So if you never believed in something, you will never do it.
100%.
So anye kuzubu isigebengu if azange wabona esinye isigebengu siphila kenzeka kahle.
But bro, she doesn't believe in school, but she's in school.
No, that's different. I don't believe in school, but I know my mom will be happy, which puts me in a position where I am in school.
Okay.
So there's always something emntwini eyibuildile lento leyo ukuthi it can happen. It can happen. Kamampela Shem, I'm sorry.
Hayi mina ngiyakuzwa. Noma nje kubuke ngosengathi omunye unayo right yokushaya omunye ana.
No, sengiyasho ukuthi even if ichinchile intombazane ekwazi ukushaya umfana, it's because ikhona ngaphakathi. Because even the society made it seem like it's okay. So siyaba nesibindi. It's not like ukuthi mangizophuma abantu bazothi why ushaya uSipho. No, it's just nayo usipho shaya intombazana
Yeah,
so
yeah,
ikhulile
yes,
ingaphakathi kwethu
And
so there's
sokuhleka
always something
sinamajika.
exactly
Yes, that's the thing.
And
You can't
phela
even go.
ngi-strong
You
phela,
can't
mae.
even go and report that case.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As a gent, like you can't.
Yeah,
You can't.
namaphoyisa azokubuka.
Don't just laugh at you. Look
Window
at this
Yeah,
one.
siyabhayiza le.
Aye.
So no one can push you no one can push you if it's not inside of you
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Just a word of advice, like to the upcoming like content creators. Judging from your existence, like in the media space, what is it that you would say, or that that one method one should have in order for one like to make it like in the media space?
Post every day. For me, it's just being consistent. Like, kumele wazi ukuthi ufuna ukwenza ini. Like, stick to that and just do it. Yeah, for me, that's it.
But you just all about to dog like good, be consistent and post, but still not gain followers and not gain views, dog. What's wrong there?
Then it
There's
means
someone
ukuthi
there
awuka
who's
reach.
feeling like that.
It means ukuthi awuka reach i-target audience yakho. So you must keep on posting, like keep on posting. Like labantu laba bayi-10 abakufollowile, bakufollowe because bayayithanda i-content yakho and bayibonile. So obvious bazoyishare if you keep on making that content. So if wena uzofollow abantu abayi-10 because you're funny and then when uyachintsha so wenza ama-vlogs, laba abanye bokufollowa for ama-vlogs and then laba be-comedy, they're just bored, sebahleli. And then maye soyachintsha futhi uyenza something else, so follow laba. Like just stick to one thing, uzogrow.
So which means like you should know your audience, kahle
Yeah,
kahle.
100%.
And even your target audience. And what's your take?
my take now can you repeat the question to someone ufuna ukuqala right
No, like I was saying
strategy.
there's someone like there's someone out there. What would be your motivation to someone out there who wanna be like one of the biggest content creators, you see? And obviously when since you've been doing content creation, like there are a lot of things that you've came across that you have learned and stuff like that. Yeah, but like what would you say is that one method that one should use like in order like to stay relevant in the media space?
to stay relevant. Okay, I can't comment on that because I don't think I'm also relevant. But what I can say is believe ukuthi you worth it. And then the moment you start believing you are definitely gonna go an extra mile. You are going to just fight for whatever it is. You are gonna be able to post each and every day. Like see yourself and then do whatever it takes.
Yeah. Like if you can see umuntu o driver iFerrari andlula la, just tell yourself ukuthi abantu abaningi mabambona bazothi yo yinhle le Ferrari, wena zibuza ukuthi layout le yenze kanjani ukuze athole le Ferrari. Just ask yourself that
and then nami ngiyayifuna and ngizoyithola.
uzitshela ukuthi uyayifuna ngizoyithola.
Uzothi noma uya emsebenzini uya usebenzele ukuthi ngiyothola iFerrari. So it's also a mental thing. There's a difference between posting and posting and posting, whereas you haven't opened up your aura to the universe because I deserve this. There's a difference. You can post and all of that, but umhlaba ungakwazi ukuthi yabona like kamampela. You in your mindset you feel like you deserve this and all of that. You're not supposed to be shocked. Ukuthi yo ngiyatrenda. Mina kuba ukuthi
I deserve it.
I knew this was gonna happen.
and don't be shy about it.
Did it feel like this when you first trended? Like
It did. It really did. It was like so vulekile lo mnyango. I'm not surprised, I'm not shocked, but I knew when I was posting ukuthi vele this is what I'm aiming for. So it's not like ukuthi ngiyele nga-apply umsebenzi ngathola isikolo. There's no such thing. So I knew ukuthi if I wanted this ngizoyithola, eventually I'm going to get there. Yes, when it gets there you get to a point where it's like whew, finally. Yeah, but you're never satisfied.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
You still want more. And
Yeah, you want more. You want more.
So one door's open for you to open another door.
Another door, yeah.
Is it?
It's like, yeah, you ngifuna 10K.
Yeah.
Hayi,
10K.
15, you know,
Yeah.
yeah, but it's part of life. You need to always be working towards something. So
But there are people who are famous, like who would ask them and they'll tell you, I never wanted to be famous, but I'm famous.
you never wanted to be famous, Maria Post.
Exactly.
It happens. Do you think
if you're
do you think
posting
that's
something,
possible?
it means ukuthi you want
you
to be
know what
famous.
is possible.
Angeke uzopost i-video and then expect ukuthi you abantu abayi-2 abayi-3.
Like, for everyone.
Yeah,
Come on.
exactly. So if you keep on posting, it means that you want to be famous. You wanted to
Ngenzakalani
be famous.
TikTok, you were watching something once in a post or account ibe
Yeah.
public or post video ukuthi be public. So I believe there's no such thing.
Yeah, there's no
Yo
such
ngiyena ngaba
thing.
famous ngemistake. Okay, tell yabo njengomathandos. Yeah. Angisho bekashuta umunye umuntu. So uye kumele athi mina angazi ukuthi ngibe famous kanjani.
ukuthi
Yeah.
ngiyifuna into bengiyifuna.
Uzipostela, uconnect uvula idatha and that's weird.
Okay, guys, thank you very much for coming. Yeah, you guys came a long way actually. Yeah, and I asked you, it was a long trip. You said this trip was short.
Yeah, it was
very
very
short. Yeah, should be a long trip. So that's so
Asizwanga
Anizwanga,
lahleka isikhathi lesizwe la
Yo,
Southgate.
sabe 2
And then we
hours,
had to go to Pretoria
Yeah.
manje.
Yeah, now
like since
we've-
sihamba the whole day. Indlela vela.
Yeah, ne?
Incane.
Okay. Yeah, I would like you guys. I know people know you, but they should keep on following you, like on following you guys. So you can just share your social platforms on that camera. Then we're gonna wrap it up.
Okay. Oh, mina ngani? Oh.
Oh,
Gama lami Karabo Masego. The Rich Cousin on TikTok. You can find me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram as The Rich Cousin nje. Yeah, Oh Sweet Jesus. You can just search Oh Sweet Jesus uzongibona.
Yeah.
I'll tell Agazwana the ladies first, ane? We're always giving her that platform. But no, it's ladies
But
first.
you can also do it.
Yeah, I get you.
Okay, I know it's fine. That's fine.
Ngiyabatsha ukuthi bangifollowa ngisho.
Yes.
Hi guys, igama lami uThepang Matutu, known as Star Lucida. Can you please follow me? You can get me with TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, and then go YouTube. We are coming. Search us
Yeah.
Uthepang Karabo. We're only like at 100 subscribers, 100 and
138.
something. Yeah. So yeah, please follow us. And to those who are already following us, thank you for the support. We appreciate it.
Okay. Before Sival, what is that one thing that you feel like the media doesn't know about her?
About her.
Yeah, one thing that like the public doesn't know about that about her.
Yo, there's ningi so. Like you want something.
Yeah, something Nanje, that you feel like what? I feel like this one the public does not know about it. Ngai.
Oh.
And you're gonna flip the coin. You're gonna ask her.
Something ayenzayo, something like
It could be whatever,
Anything.
bro.
Like anything.
Yeah, it could be anything.
Just choose one.
Ufuna ngisho le?
Ju-
Uyazi
Isho
ukuthi
noma
ngicabanga
yiphi, isho noma yiphi. ngoba
Uyazi ukuthi ngicabanga yiphi. I think you know.
Izo musha brand yami. Yini
Nah.
engicabangayo?
Yiphi?
Oh,
You are not supposed to whisper.
I did he did
No,
it.
yeah, Shuguzi, it's not that.
Oh,
It's
okay,
not that.
okay.
Okay, there's something about Utsepang, ne?
Yeah.
Yo,
Kubeka, it's okay.
is it?
Yeah.
Mara ngisho bathi anything that you do,
Yeah.
like it can be anything
As long as you
cute.
can remember I
anything.
told you ukuthi
Like-
iqiniso angilisabi. Yeah, it's fine.
Like anything cute, angisho anything
Anything, bro. It can be
ngayenzayo.
anything bad, can be anything good, whatever,
you
bro.
kept
You don't
it
have
without
limits. You don't
Utsepang.
have limit. Yeah, bro.
Ayikho bhedla kuThepang. Something mina I like there's something cute that she does there. I think that also you already know. Yeah. There's something cute that she does. Each and every time I'm with her,
Kubeka, baby, it's okay.
each and every time I'm with her, ngayibeka kanjani vele? Like ngibeke vele.
Beg, it's
Ibeke.
fine. It's cute. It's
It is, ne?
yeah.
You know which one I'm talking about.
No, my being cute.
don't
So
whisper.
Baby.
ish.
Baby.
Baby, ish.
Okay. There's something cute that she does, Utsepang, ne?
Yeah.
There's something that I love so much, and each and every time I'm with her, let's say it's chilile, like indoors, yabo. she would makadlala game, like she would be gaming, like uthanda The Sims on PlayStation, like uthanda ukudlala yona. Yeah, so what she does is uyayidlala igame, ayidlala, and then after some time, like mangiphumile, so ngiphume, like go make her food, and then I come back, and when I come back, she does this thing of ukuzivala ngengubo, yabo, like aloka hleka, avula hleka, like she's like a little kid, like she's like a little kid, like I love that about her, like I love it so much,
true.
yabo, like it's very cute.
Okay.
I like that.
Okay. What is it then?
That people don't know.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
people don't know about him. That they feel like, hey, yeah,
Nah,
this is what
it's
he
okay,
does.
anything.
Yeah, really.
Ah,
Ngiyadlala. Is ukuthi Zitu, people don't know ukuthi he's more fluent in English than me.
Is it?
Yeah. Just angisho ukuthi obvious people think ukuthi uyajoka and all of that. He's so good in English. And then the other thing, he is clingy. Like sometimes I call him my princess, even today. But I'm also his princess. But sometimes I call him Dala princess. Like he can be such a soft boy.
Yeah.
It's a sharp princess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. Yeah, I think we are wrapping it up now.
Yeah.
Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We are out.
Bye.
danko.